Hello business enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the thriving landscape of American entrepreneurship. Join us as we explore the 10 most popular business ventures that have captured the hearts and wallets of millions across the nation. First on our list is e-commerce. The digital era has seen a boom in online retail. From giants like Amazon to small-scale boutiques, e-commerce offers a vast array of products and services, providing convenience at your fingertips. Next up is technology services. In an increasingly digital world, businesses providing tech solutions, software development, and IT services are high demand. The tech sector continues to evolve and shape the future. Third, food and beverage. America's love for diverse culinary experiences fuels the restaurant industry. From fast food to fine dining, the food and beverage sector remains a vibrant and ever-growing part of business landscape. Fourth on our journey is health and wellness. With a growing emphasis on well-being, businesses in fitness, nutrition, and mental health have witnessed significant popularity. The pursuit of healthy lifestyle is a trend that's here to stay. Fifth, consulting and coaching. Entrepreneurs and professionals seek guidance to navigate challenges. Consulting and coaching services across various industries offer expertise to help businesses thrive. Real estate takes the sixth spot. The housing market, property development, and real estate services contribute significantly to the American economy. Owning and investing in real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth building. Seventh on our list is entertainment and media. From Hollywood to streaming platforms, the entertainment industry is a powerhouse. Content creation, production, and distribution continue to shape cultural landscape. Next up, education and training. Pursuit of knowledge is a driving force. Businesses offering educational services, training programs, and online courses cater to the constant thirst for learning and skill development. Eighth on our journey is finance and investment. As the economic hub, businesses in finance, banking, and investment services play a crucial role, managing wealth, facilitating transactions, and investment opportunities define this sector. Penultimately, home improvement and renovation. With the surge in home projects, businesses in this sector thrive. Whether it's do-it-yourself supplies or professional renovation services, the desire to enhance living space is prominent. Lastly, green and sustainable businesses. Environmental consciousness is on the rise. Businesses focusing on sustainability, renewable energy, and eco-friendly products are gaining momentum, reflecting a commitment to a greener future. There you have it, the top 10 most popular businesses shaping America's entrepreneurial landscape. If you found this insight intriguing, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more business exploration. Until our next entrepreneurial journey, keep dreaming and doing. This is Financial Whiteboard World.